builder. But before you
know your voice, so you feel builders, you sleep in hotel, not me say you don't get us. Big men for this country, now they sleep hotel. What is who they build hotel for? Now everybody when they sleep hotel, now they don't get us. All those boys when they talk, all the big boys for Nigeria now hotel that they sleep. Big men politicians now hotel that they sleep. So why not they find hotel to become saying now because who not get us? And they look like say, am I say why you get reasons. Even though you stay house, if house to make nyaga because of family, you come out, go stay, relax your brain for hotel. Even for that place where una get right to go hotel, go relax. Una get right to go hotel, go relax on her head for where una dey stay. So someone know the reason I say going to hotel now because say you not get as a man na poverty. Big memona come see skin, go do get skin ya. They're not the hotel where they lodge, you not feel lodge. They're not executive that they live. 25,000 now that they lodge for a night. 30K, the best room so far. I beg go. When I know they when I see they talk like, oh, you bought they come up for us, go they stay hotel. Oh, why you even me way? Ovi gue why you he? I understand. Oh, why you even with the way when I sit there they talk, you be like say. Una never see wise. Stay in hotel, not be bad team, my people. Okay? Don't be deceived, okay? Don't be deceived. Don't be deceived. Life when we won't live, even though I deal with person for that my house, me and my children. All of us, I see you go help me look after children. I'll carry my husband, we'll go hotel. We'll go spend 2 nights. When I see Mama B and B, she and her husband they stay hotel, go hotel, sometimes go spend night for birthday, anniversary. You stay in your house. If you look and say people in the condo house, you don't like them. But you worry. Or the area you won't just go. If you stay house now, you spend money pass your bad fuel. All the family do a cooking on a rigo me. Not bad. No my rigo no oko walking you. Agbunu yata. Agbunu yata o wala. When I see they think mature, you know. When I see they talk like so local. You don't understand. If you stay house, money where you go spend the day, go reach on drink on a ire. Or in here, not by no matter na boy else away. Someone at the reason. I love mommy B and B because she they enjoy her life to the fullness. And now that kind of person let me be. Now time, more than not worry. More than not worry. More than your premier marry. Or what to give a marriage here. Not be oswo illiterate or no marry oswo. He marry oswo. Ma when he gets sense, not be ma when you go tell about yourself before na quarrel, he go use and take cost you. Me marry boss waverio, egboku. I'm not go marry talkative. I'm not go marry ma when you not get privacy. Ma when you not when you go say another bekus, he go they talk down on you, even yahu. So marry for good. Marry for good. Okay, marry your friend. No marry talkative. Money misroad. When you go get 100 euro, man, when you go do something 50 euro for you, you go feel say on top the world in day. No. Okay? Wait to you go get us. You go come Nigeria, stay 1 month. You know sleep your house. Hey, what that one different? You must sleep your house. I don't say you know sleep. If you day house, you get right to go stroll around. You don't understand. You get right to go stroll around. See the thing. Yeah, now waiting that they call the new waiting. I never entered. Yeah, for the flesh. So una sit. I told you no catch you no YOG my people. See Market Square. Yeah, I'll call you. Come make video. Yeah, I'll show you what they get. In case when they come, una know what you when they buy. What you know they buy. They get everything. Now your money. Now your money go speak for you.
But now on the job that's it. They get down.
Everything.
The money bites.
Sister Felicia, you are welcome. You guys are welcome. Bekus Licky. You say you don't feel married, but we know the lake Bekus. If I talk loud, I talk loud. And I go say I wanna see 4 trip. Now 4 trip be this. 55-60,000 I tell they carry this sand. Okay? If you want fence, people they'll give you the everything. They're not the chop but they must still chop. Licking of bekus is sweet anyway. Then now your wish. You don't understand? Licking of kpekus is the best. Okay. Now they lick kpekus for you, bros. They
not be everywhere.
You know, Destiny, you are welcome. Not be everywhere there for the lick kpekus. Licking of kpekus candy, you are merely lick kpekus here. If man not love you, now you go say I know the lick. If he love you, he go do everything for you. Prove that thing. All those packaging, you say I don't want to. I know I'm a traditional man. God, prove that story. He don't love you, love not then. He don't want to tell you. Man, when he love you, you don't even need to tell and say, do even though you know the drum before you go use this start them. So more than not, they listen to all those kpekus liquor when you go come my comment section, they comment nonsense. You don't understand? You don't understand? So my people, life too sweet anyway. If I reach us, I still get 1 month when you follow me, call me men. If you be talkative, reduce, I know they make woman they love my they see you na finish, okay? Talk less. Anything where you and your Disguanguan mate or bed mate or girlfriend do together, more than not they use that they judge the woman in anything. You don't understand. You got me. You got me. So man need to talk less. Now woman they nag. If you deal with man where they nag, my sister cut him off. They don't want to keep. They are idiots. If you deal with woman where you be say any small thing when I talk together, you go you first talk cut that idiot off. They don't want to keep. People like that, they are capable. And man, when you be say that they always they use juju, they brag. Avoid such people. You got me? They use everything they brag. Everything they brag. No. Avoid them. Foreign door, I go ask. Plus, how much for foreign door?
The market price they change every day.
You don't get fixed price, so.
Now when you reach there, you could buy house, you see the price.
This Nigeria, they don't get fixed price for everything. If you get luck, if you come for abroad, they don't say you come for abroad. 10,000, they go say nothing like this man, now way they charge me so. If 1,000 drive, they go say na 2K. Then they look your skin, they give you price. They don't get fixed price for this country. So more than no butter. That's that. Well, now as your skin, they fine. And they give you price. Smith na no 4-5, 4-4. 4-5, 4 yes. When I buy plenty, they give me 4-350. Yes, I buy this week, last week.
How many bags?
I buy 100 bag, I pay 150.
You buy plenty now.
Yes, 150 bag. They give me 4-350. If you buy small, na 4-4, 4-5. Are you my? If you say you don't like Beku's face, if you no, that your wife 100 guarantee not deal. 100% guarantee not deal. The day when you go test her or you have I make some people go the shot. Then they do it for bag, then they do it for bag, then it's catalyzed for osmosis. You don't understand? You don't understand? Try. Oh, the licking of Beku's. It's not a crime, personal crime.
No.
Do it for love, don't go there do it for your benefit. I hold up all us here. Now that one make me not the kiss. That make you not the kiss. If now your own. No, that kind if you meet man, buy a better brush and wear. No, listen, if you be person when you be say you like him, you look as the man tell whether na fi man when he's stable, you know understand. Before you kiss him, me I know they hardly kiss also. I know they meet smart. We say we never did like 6 months, 3 months. Me I kiss him. You don't understand? I know they kiss again before they do. I know they select. Now you watch them, me was select. Me why ya way. Ya work me. They take me to your mark me ya. He me was select. I elevate that buwe okoni wa me vuhu nume. You understand? So now, if I know man. You buy an onion sponge. That onion sponge now be VIP brush. Give an onion sponge. If not your own, you feel kiss her. Say not be your own. Not try your own. Is there any single mother there here? No. If you know man, I beg before you kiss that man, let that relationship go somewhere first. Or something. Even apart from kiss, or direct before you do it without no rubber. No decapacitate, they ask for protection before he just swore, make his swore and my people. He can't be sworn, nobody no finish. I they learn from my mistake every time. You don't understand? Me can't be sworn, I understand. More than they do rubber again, Hey, if you walk on your ass once, you give you below, you don't understand. Man, they use rubber until you know a character. No even kiss her until you know a character. If the character not suits you, no need to even kiss her before you break the relationship. It's better to the exchange boyfriend than to the exchange husband. As me just come on, I don't pump I don't pump now. I know they select. I call out with you, do any, I drop you, I change. You may want change, even I change you more. I understand that for me to go end up with one husband, or in the name of say, I know what to do, guy. If you do any, I throw away you. No level. No understand. No level. It better they can't boyfriend follow me than they can't husband. I don't care. No understand. Come out on public, fool yourself. If they have your way, I change you because I never marry you. You don't understand? Yeah, so if I don't first one, no more direct without no test. No more kiss without no test. No more kiss. I never know how stable you are. You try, my people. You try, eh? Some men, they are very confused. I mean, making a few measures. Nothing, they know they put maths. So be careful, my beautiful ladies. You people know I love you all so much. Charlie, we when it be mothers. When one no can't use your test for our own. Or in the name of say, I don't know. I think say a better person. Plus I'll see permit buy for this area. Rob permit. Okay. Now I don't understand. I love my fellow women so much and I love my men, but truth must be told. So men, I mean making a fear kiaji. Fear feasible. So observe before I decide to say I get reason. Not beyond me that they do ordinary, but it may give before a can get let that relationship go somewhere. And if you ask me for test, if they talk any buffer, who want me gets now make the fear for test. You don't understand? Let her grace, not let the voice make you change your mind though. Your wine when also. So do tests. No kiss anyhow. Don't love anyhow. Love less. Now my Bible say me they love woman. Woman may submit to her husband. That's what Bible they talk am. You woman loving anyhow is like you are fooling yourself. If to say I be person when they love anyhow, I for never recover myself. Talk less I won't plan to travel. You know start. Well, we give me a bob share again. Get time at a no shade. You don't understand. Get time at maybe they talk truth. Now no one show my face. I get reason. Don't understand. I get reason. Tomorrow I'll show my face. I don't first do video when I show my face. Now the same clothes I still wear. No matter they see one of the see an APC filling station. You don't understand. So my dear women. So now one person they make mistake where the rest go tell learn. Who won't go for victim, may go for victim. You don't understand. I use my mistake to correct on herself. You know relationship, they relationship. Observe, love less, talk less, not talk too much about yourself. They show back to anybody, not they open up. For me to carry one man or any friend tell about myself, I'll call social media, I'll blow up for her. I they tell you now. Yes, I'll bring, no worry. For me to carry one idiot, see can stand. I see fine. For me to carry any idiot, tell her my story or anything about me, I'll open my live video, say it to my part, to my fans, my lovers. When I go encourage me for comment section. I not get any friend when they tell about me. Anybody when they come and come talk about me, na lie. Any for me, na my new policy be that. For me to come out, go choose one friend to tell about myself. I'll come talk for live video for others to learn. You don't understand? For others to learn. If I go to Tufaka animals, if I come Nigeria, may thunder fire my enemy. Not be that one carry me because I'm too busy. I dey work. I not can stay. God forbid. I left from my mistake. I tell you say I left from my mistake. Even those men when they talk, many of the boy, no, your boy can hear you. Yeah, your boy can hear. Work boku. I don't first forfeit you. Don't first forfeit. So more than not reason I say me mumu on this place. Need to full leg me. Why reason my people? Why try? I understand. If I want still to, I'll still let you know. I want to. I'm not tells my ass. I'm not the shame. If a time I want to. Now you get my bekus. Now my bekus. Whoever know. Now understand. Now my bekus. So when I don't let my bekus be a problem. Oh! You see me for airports, not the new. See we are here. Yeah, now waiting. Now I cheap at this so. I cheap. Thank you, Saturday. Any woman when you see they carry a fellow woman, they tear apart. So yeah, don't this life, I get experience well. You don't understand, women. If you deal with any man, no matter anything what the man they do for you, not to praise that man. If you want praise, praise him for your back. And if you want praise your boyfriend to any woman, praise her to any woman, she won't carry. Not let her pay you say that they won't carry him. Wait till make that woman feel collect your boyfriend. That man not go still stay for your hand. Or not that woman go still collect her. That na coward woman they collect. You don't understand? Coward. Now woman, any man where you say they snatch my boyfriend, they don't snatch real men. Now goats. Now that they snatch goats as well. Really? Maybe. Now goats, now that they snatch. You don't understand? Now goats, now that they snatch. Any man where they snatch for you, any woman where they snatch for you, not made to keep us one. Mumu. I don't know when you see the carry boyfriend matter for heads. Ijare. Now husband that they carry for head. Husband. If you never cook, I don't know how they make them. If you never cheat, you know, thank your nyash, say my nyash, thank you for making me to cheat. Oh. Really, Benny? I don't see you say this car. So, it's good to love, but love less. Love yourself most. And be a lion, fearless. Not to fear, not let your fellow woman move you. Not let your fellow woman shake you. Not let anybody for this life use their threat to move you. I'm telling you. Okay? I'm a strong woman. Me, now if I buy tomorrow, I buy where? You know that's I know the fear. Now my time reach according to my father. When they say show your family. When I forget person when they show them, when he show his sister for car, when his sister call the interrupt for inside the live video, they call the insult the care. It's not good to show your family if you come and go. Not try. Any small thing and that your family they'll go the insult. Me I don't even get family. I'm a only child of my mama and my papa. So now say I not get anybody to a news and see me walking. Why the butter? Now my lawyer be my papa, my friends, my childhood friends, now be my brother. Now understand. Now my childhood friends be my brother. My childhood friends now be my brother. So no. If I relax at home, money will come meet me. I know they relax for us, so you are waka. How they say as if what they do, they watch TV. Well, I funny you. I got they watch TV now. Oh, I go drink for me. They tell me I relax for us. I went for me. Onato. I know they relax for where they for come. Doctor, so how they hear me go? I relax. Now make me not a bit depend on people. Man, no fit chakara for me because I dey also my hustle. I'm a pure one. Keep rocking with us. I'm a pure one. I need my help, but not be 100%. Now 60% help I need from man. I can afford the rest. Oh, as I say no be you they pay my pay. At least I say also like you need to respect me. Not talk to me anyhow. I will pay you are. I'm a hustler. So respect me, I respect you, and have a relationship. So women, if you are here, you are not doing anything, please try doing something. Any woman, when they depend on a man, there will not be a time he sorts. Not that they follow him. You don't understand? Oh! Now go drink for me, I not fit talk. I get one legit guy for you. Tell him me transfer 1 M for my account. Me I not say Jerry legit. If you to show say legit, tell me transfer 1 M for my account. No understand. Oh, Maggie we free. AK free. Back to sender. AK free. Back to sender. Bye bye to Ebola free yo. Bye bye to Joe free boys. Ah! Bye bye to Joe free. You wake free oh. Back boko. Go and walk. Go and walk. Oh. I want to do free bowler like you are the craze. Anyway, work Basena. So after you don't do free bowler, finish. Thank you, Samuel. After I don't do free bowler, finish. I go BIU today. I'll post the video today or tomorrow. Get one land that time where they collect for my friend and 2 plots. They say tomorrow tomorrow they'll give her the other one. They don't give her 100 by 100. They'll give her the other one the next time. The one when I go call video now, I'll post them today. Oh, I'll post them. When I see Waka, when I don't Waka today, oh, I know they sleep. Oh. My friends, they give me small thing. Me I think they help them. Me I think they help them. They check their property. If you get anyone, inbox me. Oh. How about they enjoy the traffic? Traffic also. You know, so if I see that, then you shout, drop.
Allah.
Drivers, they don't know how to hustle.
Allah, for those.
Before we take Arabic go and not reach 2K.
Allah.
Forget it.
They talk you. Bro.
Yes, so I be one.
This is for enough today, so
I be confirmed dog, like your mama. Like your mama, me and your mama are the same place before they do one. What do you talk?
I say as for enough today, so.
Yeah.
So the one where they bring come, now the one they grip on.
Romeo, I be dog like your mama. I say that your mama na still dog. Now make you know say that they see dog female. You now see I see your monkey, see 3 years when it dey your head. Little carrot white, I will pay you are bleaching alaloe. Women that is co-legs, their men praises them, thinking that they are loyal, unknowingly that those women are hopeless because no money to voice. My love, you are this life. Once you don't get your children, she love. Anyone when you respect and take with her. You don't respect, you have a bar. Wait, mommy, that go send a boys I get. Boys, okay, I feel where you are. Now boys I get. So if they come my way, you know say you legit. You ready to respect me, I respect you. So you got the reason I say, now woman they can't follow. Now woman they can't follow. Okay, I feel where you are. Shame not the cash. Who tell una? Shame not the cash me. Now who una feel use that word intimidate? Una go use that intimidate, not be me. I understand. Higher intimidate me, my people. Happiness, Iguma, you are welcome. Please respect her. I know say you go carry unwanted pregnancy come. Even though I carry unwanted pregnancy come, now you they pay the money. The one where you born a badon. You don't take care of her finish. I will pay you are. Ah? Now your bakus I take care of be like your mama oh. Now your mama oh. Now my bakus oh. Now my bakus I take care of Jama government no so no bo afiagbe. God bless Jama. They are not complaining. Now they are our lazy youths. Now they complain.